A couple months ago, I posted a trend video on TikTok about donating to the museum. I didn't think it was going to go anywhere, but it turns out that from our followers, at least a few dozen people donated anywhere from $1 to $100 for that video. And we raised over $640 for our museum. And I want you to know that we have used that money for good. We've put some money towards our educational school fund where we could give grants to low-income schools to visit our museum. And we also purchased a press to do outreach programs where we could go to classrooms and do a print shop presentation, or even go to a variety of different events around Sacramento and print stuff. So I assembled this. This came from Provisional Press, and I have something to print here. Howard, you're gonna come around the side here to get a little bit better of an angle. So I have it all locked up. This is very similar to what would be a show card press. It's made out of wood. Place the paper on here. We're still trying to adjust the packing that would be for this press. So we're gonna put a stack of newspaper, take the roller across here, take off the packing. And all I could say for our viewers, and thank you so much for supporting the Sacramento History Museum. Thank you for helping and supporting our school programs and expanding what we can offer here at the museum. Thank you. Press the red button, Howard.